welcome to my channel. I'm Marlena. Today I actually just received my very first order from Grove Collaborative, and so today's video is going to be an unboxing and a first look and first review, first impressions of Grove Collaborative. I had actually been wanting to order from this company for about 4 or 5 months now, and originally it was just because they sell the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, and I absolutely love Mrs. Meyer's. At my grocery store though, they only sell like 3 of the scents that Mrs. Meyer's provides, and I just really wanted to try all the different scents that they have. So I always thought about joining Grove so I could get the different smelly cleaning products, but I just never knew if that was enough for me to join a subscription service. So once COVID-19 actually hit and all of these shutdowns started happening around my city, it became a little more difficult to get cleaning products and soap, diapers, wipes, those types of items. And so that really just sort of made my decision that yes, I would go ahead and start ordering from Grove. I do have a 1-year-old who is in diapers, and he has really sensitive skin, and so we do have to get different diapers for him. And Grove actually has one of the brands that we can use, which is 7th generation, that doesn't create a little rash on his body. They have wipes as well. So knowing that I could get the scents from Mrs. Meyer's that I really wanted to try, be able to get cleaning products and hand soap, and C, being able to get the diapers and wipes, those 3 were the main decisions and the main factors that made my decision to start with Grove. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and unbox everything. I'll show you all the items that I ordered, and I'll show you all the items that I got for free for signing up. And I'll go ahead and just get everything out, and then I'll come back and talk to you about them here in just a little bit. Okay, so now that I have everything unboxed, I separated the items into 2 categories. Here are the items in the back are the ones that I purchased, and then These ones are the ones that were free. When I signed up, I actually got quite a few items for free. And I'll show you what I got. I got this little glass spray bottle. This is a silicone bottom so it doesn't slide around. You can use that with a glass cleaner. This one is orange and rosemary, a 1 ounce concentrate. You just mix this with some water. Also came with some walnut scrubbies. There's a 2-pack of these little walnut scrubbies, which is really nice. As well as a nice little stoneware caddy for dish soap or whatever you want to put your sponges, anything for by the sink. You can use it in a bathroom too. Also comes with a little Grove cleaning caddy bucket, which is really nice. And then it also came with a spray, a dish soap, and a hand soap from Mrs. Meyer's. And you can choose the scent that you want. So I have Bluebell dish soap and I love the way it smells, but they never have the cleaner at my store. So I got the Bluebell spray. Very excited to use that. And this one was just really interesting to me, and I think it'll be really good for the kitchen. Obviously it's dish soap, but I got radish scented dish soap. And then a Rainwater scented hand soap. And so all of these items were actually free when I signed up, which is wonderful. So those are the free items. Then, move you a little closer here. I got my 1-year-old, he has really sensitive skin, and so a couple of brands are better for his little skin, and 7th Generation is one of them. So I was really happy that they sell these. It takes some of that stress when you're going to the store right now, wondering if they're going to have your size, because they seem to be out of diapers a lot. So I got 2 of these packs of night diapers. And then just 2 of the packs of regular diapers. They also have wipes, but I wasn't running out of wipes, so I'll get those next month, I think. Dishwasher tabs. My grocery store just has no cleaning supplies or dish soap or anything like that right now. And when they do get it, it goes really fast. So, dishwasher tabs. Method laundry soap. This one is fresh air scent. Method glass cleaner. I use this on my granite. I use it on my plexiglass upstairs, windows, mirrors. So we go through this a lot. Method anti-bac bathroom cleaner. I do have 3-year-old twins, and one is potty trained, but you know, he's 3, and one is currently potty training, so this really is a necessity. Then, the reason why I was so happy that I finally got to order from Grove are the different scents that I get to use now. This one is fresh cut grass. And I got a matching hand soap to go with that, and that will be in for the kitchen use. I also got a hand soap to match with the radish dish soap that I got too, so I have a little set here. And then I just got a few hand soaps. Again, hand soaps go so fast in my grocery store right now, so it's nice just knowing that's not something I have to worry about when I'm getting items that we need. This one is from Method. It is in waterfall scent. Sea Minerals, and then a Mrs. Meyer's in mint. So these were all the items that I bought, and my total with tax was $114.73, I believe. So not too bad. These diapers are a little bit more expensive. They're for sensitive skin, and some of these, like the Method laundry detergent, I believe is a little bit more expensive too than maybe Tide or something like that, but it's okay. Right now I'm really happy for getting this. Okay, so just a little bit about Grove, just a little bit of basic information. It is a recurring service, or it can be. They do say that if you just want to buy from them once, you do have that option as well. I am going to use it as a recurring service. I'd like to be able to get the diapers delivered monthly. I'll probably sign up for wipes maybe every other month. And that is another nice feature with Grove. They do allow you to kind of customize your shipments. So if you want, hand soap delivered every month or every other month, you can set it how you want, or you can take it off your reoccurring list. You can just put whatever you'd like on that list. So that's really nice. They will send you reminders before your items ship out, so you can go and look and tweak it and get items on or get items off that you might not need. Just do a word of caution, be a little careful. They do add items into your cart based on, I guess, things they think you'll like, which is kind of nice, but also if you're not expecting it and you just go and check out, you're going to get a bunch of stuff that you might not be expecting. So just be careful about that. When they send you an email, you can go and you can look into your list and delete all the items that they've added if it's not something that you want. And so that's your choice, absolutely. You can also change the ship date to make it the beginning of the month or the end of the month, the middle month, whatever you want. You can change the date, and you can also skip months. So if you aren't using as much of a product and you just don't need anything that month, you can go ahead and skip, which is also a really nice feature. So for me and for my family, I'm really excited and happy that we decided to go with Grove. Not only do I get to have my scents from Mrs. Meyer's that I'll love cleaning with, I'm sure, but we also get nice natural products that I can use around my 3-year-olds and my 1-year-old and my dogs, and not have to worry about when I clean and then they go and lick my table, which happens every day. And just also the auto shipment will ease, I think, a little bit of my stress anyways when I do go to the grocery stores, knowing I don't have to worry about soap, I don't have to worry about laundry detergent, I don't have to worry about diapers. I can just go there and get certain things. That's just really going to help me a lot. So for me and my family, I am really happy, and I think this is going to work out well. I hope that I was able to give you guys a little bit of information. So if you're on the fence, or if you're deciding if maybe this is something you might want to do and you just wanted to see what things look like and see the free products you get, I hope I was able to help in any sort of way to make a decision one way or the other. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.